There was this artist that was shooting something for earlier this year, and the project was like a pilot project. We were doing it so that we could give to somebody to look for funds for sponsorship. And along the line, the artist said, okay, let's work in a considerate amount because the project is not the main project, so that he could go use it to just look for sponsorship. He already had some people that he wanted to pitch the whole stuff to. It was just for us to bring out something classy that would make sense, so that they see that, okay, with nothing we were able to achieve this, and if there is finance, we can achieve a better result. Then I finished the whole thing and I was editing it. Along the line, when I was editing, the artist said something that struck me. He said, if this person dropped this money, I swear, I go bring this particular director. You understand? Yes, I feel call you, make you come around, then come day for the project when they do. You understand? But I go bring this particular person. And I told myself, now looking at who he called, he's a senior colleague in the industry. But me, with the current state of what I have done before and what I know, I can execute more. I can execute more as an upcoming creative, like somebody that is not up to that level, because that person is not actually into that thing, but because the person had already had name before, he said he was going to go bring that person. I said, okay, it's fine, no wahala. But deep down, nah, the ones who don't get plenty money, the one where they go beg you, say, I beg, won't help me. I said, okay, no problem. After that project, I gave him the project and I said, okay, it's fine. When next we are working, I'll tell you that same person that you're calling that you were going to go bring didn't get to where he is by helping people to shoot pilot copies and they bring other people to come and do the job. If you didn't believe in me, why give me the job? I did excellently well. You were praising what I did. But if fund come, you could go bring another person, make a condo. Instead of bring this fund, let's put it in so that me too, I will make a project that you would see and be proud of. People will see that, okay, I've handled this particular project that is this amount. He said, no, you carry it and go and give another person. Anyway, that's what we face as creatives, trying to do our thing. Sometimes helping people, you need to be very, very careful when you're helping people. I'll see you on the next one.